Hello, good morning, everyone. Today, my name is Ryan Khan, and I'm going to present about software quality and testing presented by my fellows. And introduction, I would give about the introduction as it is a procedure used to identify the correctness, completeness, and the quality of the developed computer software. It is process of executing a program or application under the positive and negative conditions by manual or automatic means. It checks for the specifications, functionality, and performance. Coming to the objectives, uncover as many as error or bugs as possible in a given product, demonstrate a given software product matching its requirement specification, validate an equality of software testing and minimum cost of efforts, generate high quality of testing case and perform effectiveness testing and correct issues and helpful problem reports. This is a life cycle of software development. Standard model used worldwide to develop the software. Necessary to ensure the quality of the software and logical steps taken in development of software. This is how the testing life cycle goes. It's like first project's initiation and system studying, test plan, design test case, and execute test case. After that, report defects and analyze and summary reports. This is how all the testing life cycle goes on. Basically, we are covering two types of testing in this presentation. First is black box and second is white box. Coming to black box, no knowledge of internal program or design required, and testing is based on the requirement of functionality. White box testing, the knowledge is internal program design and code is required. The tests are based on the coverage of code statement, branches, paths, and conditions. From here, my friend Ashish will follow on.
Hi friends, it's me Ashish with 42887 is the student ID. Here the testing levels can be categorized into three parts like a unit testing, integration testing and a system testing. Here the unit testing it defines like a test is modeled individually is followed by a white box testing and logically of the program done by the developers. Here the integration testing once all the model have been unit tested, integration testing is performed. After that it is symmetric testing. Produce test is identify errors associated with the interface. Here the types big bang integration testing, top down integration testing, bottom up integration testing, mesh integration testing. Other the part like a system testing, the system are as a whole is tested in the uncover requirement errors, verifies that all the system elements work properly and that overall system functions and the performance as being achieved. The types of performance testing are categorized below, like stress testing, volume testing, configuration testing, recovery testing, regression testing, compatibility testing, document testing, and usability and maintenance as well. Here at the time of questionnaire that can be asked, like in the interview, there are some questions that we have asked. And finally, the conclusion is that is in order to be cost effective, the testing must be contract an area where it is well and most effective. The testing should be planned such that when a testing is stopped for whatever reason, the most effective testing in the time allocated has already been done. The absence of the organization testing policy may result in a too much effect and money will be spent in testing attempting to the achieve and a level of the quality that is impossible or unnecessary. Thank you very much and hope you enjoy the slides.